okay, so this problem is a little bit more difficult because the numbers they don't come out nice for the when you try to solve it. So to solve this, you write down this formula for the standard form, which is ax squared equals 0, and then the quadratic equation, negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac 2a. So these are the two formulas. So from the previous examples, what we do is we basically get this quadratic function to be in the standard form, which will be subtract. What we do is we add x and subtract 5 to get this side equal to 0. So it's going to be plus x minus 5 on this side plus x minus 5. So then this goes to 0. So it's going to be 3x squared plus x minus 5 equals 0. So now this function is in our standard form. So then we know that a equals 3, b equals 1, and c equals negative 5. So now we would take these numbers and plug it into our quadratic equation. So it's going to be negative 1 plus or minus 1 squared minus 4 ac 3 negative 5 over 2 times 3, which equals negative 1 plus or minus 1 minus, doing the math, this is going to be 60. Negative 4 times 3 times negative 5 is 60. Over 2 times 3, 6. And then we simplify further, this is going to be equals to negative 1 plus or minus 61 or 6. Now for this, the thing that makes students a bit have difficulty is that they see the square root of 61. They think by seeing this square root, they think that they probably made a mistake with their arithmetic, because students think that things have to simplify out nicely, but this is not the case. So because unless you have a calculator, you can pretty much leave the answer like this. This is satisfactory. Because if you try simplifying it, it gets hard, it gets messier.